January 1887, the Dake Engine Company was founded by 10 local businessmen, and they had this new invention called the double reciprocating square steam engine, which was heavily used by the lumber industry during that time. And really, it was the lumber industry that brought prosperity to this region, and by 1887, most of our forests were depleted to help rebuild Chicago after the fire of 1871. During World War II, new 50 and 100 horsepower steam engines were developed for the war effort. Dake manufactured more than 10,000 steam engines for the new Liberty cargo ships. And then in 1945, after the war had ended, Dake purchased a line of arbor presses and two-hand operated hydraulic presses from a company in Michigan called the Atlas Press Company. By the mid-1950s, the small line of presses had expanded to over 170 models. This caused a new move to a factory in 1957, which gave us room and capacity to expand into larger, custom-engineered hydraulic presses. Soon, Dake would be shipping all of their presses all over the world. In 1985, Dake purchased the Johnson metal cutting bandsaw product line from the Kaiser International Group out of Michigan. The new product line featured horizontal and vertical bandsaws. And in the next year, Dake began selling its line of circular cold saws. By 1988, Dake added mitering and fully automatic horizontal bandsaws. The Parma line of the gravity-fed vertical bandsaws was added in 1999. In the early 2000s, the internet opened up new exposure for our products and caught the eye of a whole new generation. Dake presses and saws were regularly featured on popular television shows such as Orange County Choppers, Extreme 4x4, Muscle Car, and Horsepower. These partnerships helped push Dake to be seen as a trusted leader in the metalworking industry. In 2019, Dake was acquired by Laguna Tools. While Laguna Tools started off as the leader in the woodworking industry, they now have applied their innovative ideas to the metal, plastics, sign, and composite industries. And here at Dake, we are proud to be a part of the Laguna Tools family, and we are excited about what the future holds.
At the end of the day, it's really about our customers and their applications. We are proud of what we do here, and we love partnering with you to see the many unique ways our machines are being used to help your company thrive.